Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Before we even get started, I have to give a big shout out to T from At Home with T, y'all. That's my girl. Like, I cannot believe how good she has been to me. Okay. So I have to give a shout out to her. You guys head over to her page. If you enjoy cleaning motivation as well as motherhood, you're definitely going to enjoy her channel. It is always filled with so much inspiration and motivation with getting your house together as well as mom life. And if you guys love that, definitely check her out. Welcome to all of the new subscribers. Yes, welcome, especially the ones that came over from T's channel. Welcome, 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 and welcome back to my oldies but my goodies. Today we're going to be giving the home a good refresh. It's not that dirty, but it is dusty. Okay, y'all know I have a lot of black furniture pieces, so dust shows up very easily. So we're going to go ahead and dust down all of the walls, make sure get those corners, get rid of any spider nests that may have happened over the time that we did not clean it, as well as just get those top areas of the door that may have collected some dust. You know, I'm always talking about dusting my walls and stuff because my husband has sinuses, and also I just want to make sure that my home is refreshed from ceiling to floor. We're going to be starting in the entryway, then I'm going to work my way down to my bathroom and my bedroom, as well as the guest bedroom, as well as the toilet area, the living room and kitchen and all that stuff. Like, we're just really working our way down through the home and just making everything nice and refreshed, because when weekend comes we want to be able to relax. Okay, I try to do most of my cleaning through the week, so when the weekend comes, that's my chill time and time to go on date nights with me and the hubby. Okay, I am not going to be out here cleaning on the weekend. No. As you ladies and gents saw, I got the pink stuff window cleaner or glass cleaner, and I gotta say it's not bad. It's not the best of the best of the best, definitely not, but it did a pretty good job with getting what it needed to do done. And I also enjoyed that smell. It has almost a citrus kind of smell. And y'all know I'm always talking about adding lemon essential oils to when I'm using my mop water or when I'm cleaning around the window sill and whatnot, because when the air comes inside, it just disperses that scent throughout the home and it smells really, really fresh. And then I can just go in with my diffusers and my candles, and it's just a really nice, clean scent. So I wasn't mad at the scent at all, and it did a pretty good job. I would buy it again, but I'm not saying it's a must have in my cleaning essentials. And also to shine my glass really, really well, I'm going in with my handy dandy newspaper. You guys know I'm always preaching this. If you guys have newspapers that come to your home like we do, or you purchase your newspapers, save them, recycle, and reuse. Give them a new purpose. They shine glass and mirror like no other. This is old school. This is something my mother used to do with us when we were kids, when we used to clean around the home, and when we're cleaning the windows of the home, she would always give us some soapy water. We would have a towel and we would wipe down the glass or the windows with that soapy water, and then we would always dry it with the newspaper, and it always shined. So if you have not given it a try as yet, I would definitely recommend that you guys just try it out. I mean, you're just going to throw away the papers anyway, so try it out and let me know what you guys think down below in the description box. Going to be coming back in a later video to just restyle and refresh the hutch as well as the home with some summer decor items and summer pieces. I actually love the way my hutch looks inside, so I really don't want to change it, but I also want to try something different inside it or just switch some stuff around. So definitely stay tuned for a summer home decorate with me or home decorating ideas video. For an added pop of color, I'm just going to go in with this moss that I've had for, I want to say, a year or maybe over a year. Anyways, I've had some leftover moss and I'm just going to add it to this bowl to the table, and I actually really like how it came together. It looks really nice. Now moss gets everywhere, so definitely be careful with that, and if you have some kind of dust allergy, I would say put something over your face because it gets really musky and dusty. The first area is completed, and now we're going to be moving on to my bedroom. Before I get started, I have to put away my sewing machine because your girl just has too many hobbies. Okay, I have too many hobbies. That's my problem. But I'm basically going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to dust the wall, dust behind the television, above the door and the windowsill, etc., and just make sure everything is dust free before I go in with that same window cleaner, glass cleaner from the Pink Stuff, and I'm just going to clean everything down with that. I usually use my glass cleaners on my tabletops, and I have to say that the Pink Stuff worked really well as well. It didn't dry the top of the tables out. I did expect it to, but it didn't, so I'm happy for that as well. For my bedding, I just washed 2 days ago, so I don't need to do laundry in today's video. So we're just going to go ahead and fix the bed. Then after we're done with that, I'm going to go in and vacuum as well as mop the floors. When it comes to me cleaning a space, I like to clean the entire room and just have it completed. So I will dust down everything, shine up everything, decorate everything, and also vacuum and mop, so when I'm leaving that space or that area, it is completed and I do not have to go back to it. Now it's time to tackle the living room space, and I literally don't have to do too much in this space because you guys just saw me clean this entire space, so you just need to freshen it up. So I'm going to go in and fluff all of the pillows, dust off the couch, as well as fold all the throw blankets and make sure they're neatly placed, and just wipe down the tabletops, as well as clean my windows and the sliding door, because my goal for this day was really to clean all of the windows just to give them a nice upkeep and take down any dust or fingerprints that may have been on them. So that really was the goal for today, but I ended up just refreshing the entire house, and I'm so glad I did because it just feels and smells amazing. We are at the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you cleaned along with me or just enjoyed it, sit back and relax and watched me work. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up before leaving, as well as if you're not subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell 2 times so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see y'all in the next one. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.